Ballets tell a story. So if you're auditioning, obviously you need to have ballet experience in training and performing. There are a number of ballets that I really encourage you to explore. Some ballets are available online, but I strongly encourage that you take the time to go to a ballet. It sets a different feel for you when you're experiencing what a ballet is truly like, and you can see that it's more than just technique. There's a story behind it, and all of the scenery and the costumes and the atmosphere that you get to experience when you are there in a theater watching a ballet. Some common examples would be the Nutcracker. The Nutcracker is a great story and has been enjoyed by many people for many years. That is always a classic, and there are many of others. And we'll go into some of the companies later on in the week, but if you explore various ballet companies in your area, you're likely to find that they have a repertoire of what they would be performing or seasonal performances that you can go enjoy. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about musicals. I will see you then.